It took forever, but it finally happened. After just 836 days, I finally got my first YouTube paycheck. I feel like so many people think that getting monetized on YouTube is super easy, but that was not the case for me. It took me over 2 years to finally get monetized on YouTube, and in this video I'll be going over a breakdown of how I finally reached the threshold to get monetized on YouTube. But first, thank you for watching and subscribing to my channel. This would have not been possible without your help subscribing, watching, liking, and even commenting on my videos. Thank you so much to every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. In order to get monetized on YouTube, your channel needs at least 1,000 subscribers and over 4,000 hours of watch time in the past 12 months. When I first started out, I thought this would be achievable in 3 to 6 months, but boy, I was so wrong. I posted my first video on August 5th, 2021, and since then I've posted one video per week with an exception of a couple months. In the first 6 months, I only gained 32 subscribers, so way off from 1,000. If you're a small YouTuber who's currently struggling, I feel you. As you all know, my channel is all about finance, investing, and money, so I thought this would be a very good niche to be monetized very quickly. But the fact is, I was accepted into the YouTube Partnership Program and was monetized on November 19th, 2023. Let's go over my channel analytics. So let's look over my first year on YouTube. In my first year on YouTube, I got 14,600 views, 1.3k watch hours, and 328 subscribers. You can see that most of my growth was during the second half of the year when I picked up a little bit of traction. You can see the super slow growth in the beginning. You can see maybe 1 to 2 views per day, depending on if I posted a video. You can see here around February 2022 is when I start to get some traction, so I'm getting anywhere from 30 to 100 views per day on average. Then you can see the big spike here on June 26th, which was due to a video I posted, the top 5 recession-proof ETFs. And this video did fairly well on the first day it was posted. After that, you can see a steep drop off in views as I didn't really post that much. And you can see that it goes up a little bit when I posted my next video. So let's take a look at the year right after my first year. So you can see that my views were spiking here. This is mostly due to the shorts I started posting into my channel, but these were just very big spikes and then they went down drastically. Some of these days would get me even 1,000 to 2,000 views per day, but this was due to the short system just really pushing out my content. I just wanted to note that shorts views do not count towards your 4,000 hours of watch time, so just keep that in mind. Now fast forward to the next year, from August 5th, 2023 to present day, you can see that I'm getting on average anywhere from 200 to 300 views per day consistently. There's also some days that spike at 1,000 views and 1.4k views, so it's doing pretty well. So let's look at how much I've made on YouTube so far. Like I mentioned before, I was monetized on November 19th, 2023 and have been earning through ads till this day. And since then, drum roll please, I have earned $375.07. Now the first paycheck I received from YouTube was $261.63. And one thing to keep in mind is that in order to be paid out by YouTube, you need to hit a threshold of at least $100 earned through ads. You can see that during my first month of being monetized here, I earned an estimated revenue of $183.72, which goes over the $100 threshold. And one more thing to keep in mind is that YouTube does not actually pay out until the 21st through 26th of the following month. So let's take a look at how much I've made in the past 28 days on YouTube. You can see here that I've made $205.31, with averages around $5 to $10 per day, with a huge spike on January 11th, 2024 at $23.19 that day. If you scroll down here, you can see where your revenue came from. So mine came from watch page ads and a little bit from YouTube Premium. Earnings by ad type, so skippable video ads, display ads, bumper ads, etc. And how much advertisers pay per 1,000 views, also known as CPM or a cost per milli. You can see for me, my CPM sits at $26.38 in the past 28 days. Now, one thing to note is that some channels are more monetizable depending on the specific niche. For example, in my case of being in the finance niche, advertisers who target the finance niche have a lot more money to spend compared to advertisers in another niche such as cooking. Now, the payout that you receive yourself is something called RPM or revenue per milli, which is the true payout that you receive after YouTube takes its cut. Just know that CPM and RPM will fluctuate per video, so just keep that in mind. If you're someone who's aiming to get monetized on YouTube, let me just tell you, good job and keep up the good work. Some advice I could give to you is be always adaptable to change, always be looking for searchable video topic ideas, and just continue to grind and make great quality videos, and monetization will just come naturally. It's definitely not easy and it will take you a lot of time, hard work, and dedication, but it was possible for me, so it's definitely possible for all of you. And trust me when I say this, it's all worth it in the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.